problem with cast material, and I'll put an inset photo in. It's very porous, and if you drop it on a hard surface on the ground or give it a smack with a hammer, which you shouldn't do anyway, but if you drop it on a hard surface, you can fracture the metal, and then when you go to use it, she will just snap like that. And this is a competitor as well. This is aluminium, and the same thing happened to this. We actually went to screw in the hard ground and it snapped on us. It's got a 70 Newton meter rating. What we finished with our GroundGrabba Pro and Pro 2, we don't have a rating on them. You just use as much force as you want to use, or use a impact wrench, whatever. Just go for it.